A series of letting go. 1. Open into the delicacy. Let chiaroscuro shift slowly, softly, not of beloved light and dark, but beloved him and him, past and present, present and future. Breathe into errant movements of fingers and heart that also breathe the circles of balance, imbalance. Accept the shape, receive the subtle caress. 2. Addendum. We say we were baptized in lightning, but that's really just the start. That first night they chased us, those bolts, yet left soul and skin unsinged. We said yes, baits moved. We thought the baptismal font had its moment, but the truth is, one hot flash tangled in my red string bracelet, which means things you don't even know, and I brought it to your bed, where you tangled it all through my hair. With the friction of your hands, it sparked flame at my roots, between your fingers. Then, October, it really burned then. But the biggest spectacle was saved for the end, when we walked away, holding on, in new directions, and heart gusts of air blew the flame to lit cradle that burned me whole, finishing what lightning began, what lightning had always asked and promised. I cried, and my jagged exhales fed the gifted love pyre at my feet, more sweet, willing breath. 3. This spinning quiet. When I say it's quiet, I don't mean steady. A subtlety of waves still holds movement, and I am here, then I am there. I cry at the dead mouse and I turn to you because you love me so fucking much, and the angry edge in your voice that day calls back to me. I cry at the immensity of being asked to love you so hard and then let you go, and I write a poem. This one, now 14. I know being with you would birth many poems. I see the sliding door path. And now I know it's time to return to this quiet. 4. One thing I never expected to learn. Love triangles are not for the faint-hearted, especially when made of a poet, a mystic, a ghost. 5. Important to add. In much of my crying, I feel this over the rainbow too. This line, thank you, my fate. 6. One more thing. Enough talk for now of being burned at the stake, because this begins and ends with gift. A gift so large for you it helps me breathe. A gift so large for me it takes my breath again. And gift so large to share, embedded love that grows through all shapes, and that, with my smile at your smile as I burn, is the note to carry us back into letting go.